Hello everyone. Welcome to EasyArtLover YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw Independence Day themed drawing. So gear up everyone and let's start fun learning and drawing together. Happy drawing. The colors of India come alive in this beautiful Independence Day scene. The tricolor flies proudly in the sky, while a graceful peacock rests among the greenery and beautiful lotus flowers bloom in the water. The bright sunshine and peaceful surroundings remind us of the beauty of our motherland. Let us celebrate our freedom with pride, love, and respect for our country. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.